Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and it's finally here. We have our first phone of 2025, and we're here to unbox it and give our first impressions. But stay tuned. But before we get into it, if you can please like, subscribe this channel, we greatly appreciate it. We are back on it. We appreciate all the comments, likes, and all of your subscriptions. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up and see what phone did I receive in 2025. So I just got in the mail. This is from FedEx. And then as I open it, bam, you see that red box? You already know what time it is. This is the OnePlus 13, not to be confused with 13R, whatever. This is the 13th generation of the OnePlus phone. And as you can see, it is with Hasselblad technology for the camera. And then as a perk of ordering this, early on, you get a free item. And this time I got the OnePlus Watch 2R. You could have received a OnePlus Watch 2, but those sold out really fast. Or you could have received some headbuds, the OnePlus Buds 3, and you could have received all that. But this is all that was left, and we got a nice little watch. And we're going to push that to the side because we already reviewed that earlier last year. So let's go ahead and look and see what's inside the box of the OnePlus 13. All right, so I got the 16 gig RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage space. This is the Midnight Ocean. And let's see what's in this box, shall we? So you got the 13 labeling right here, traditional red box, OnePlus on the side. Never settle, that's the mantra of OnePlus as always. Okay, we got, usually there is a SIM card, ejector tool that's in there, but we're gonna push that off to the side. All right, and here it is. This is the OnePlus 13, the Ocean. The ocean color. Oh my Lord, it is incredibly light. This is beautiful to the eyes, to the touch. Take a look at that. It's got the nice H for the Hasselblad right here on the right side of the camera. So it's not, usually in the past iterations of this OnePlus, it had it right here in it, but now it has this nice little pattern here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but then it has the H right there, so you already know the deal. Hasselblad, OnePlus logo right here. Really like this. Oh, this is real leather right here, guys. It feels real. But yeah, this is nice. Yep, and then we have our traditional switch here for your silent mode. You got your volume rocker right here on the side on the right. I mean, this finish on this aluminum is very nice. All right, let's put this right here in view. Let's see what else is in the box. Maybe it can, get our socks off. All right, so you got your traditional brick here, the Super VOOC technology, and then this one is a 100 watts max. So, and it comes with your cord, probably like 6 foot, 3 foot maybe. And then I know I skipped over this, but it's kind of a bigger box this time. Maybe there's something else inside of it. So let's see. And no. So you have your transfer tool here. I'm not gonna pull that out because it's not even, I don't even use it anymore. I probably wouldn't use it since I'm switching from an Apple to an Android. Once again, here's your SIM ejector tool. Well, cool. I mean, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let's see if it has any juice. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that home button right here. Hold on to that. And it does not have any juice. Or does it? Oh, I felt it. All right, this, I kid you not, it's so light. Now I have my iPhone here, and comparable by size, it looks pretty good. Probably have like the same, 6.7 inch screen. But it is so much lighter. I have one thin case on here, so this is pretty much true to size on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. but it is so light. I'm I'm not kidding you. I'm very impressed. And so as you can see, it has the traditional setup screen. Later on, we're gonna set this up, and then I'm gonna give you my real impressions of it after about a week of use. So stay tuned to that. But let me know what you think. I mean, did OnePlus, snag it with the design? I mean, this is cowboy colors. I mean, this is awesome. I mean, this is very beautiful. It's very square because traditionally OnePlus has like this rounded edge kind of deal, and it has more of a kind of curved edge display. I mean, it's slightly there, but this is more flat, than we're used to. I can't wait to take a look at that. And then this vegan leather back here, or whatever this is, it's very nice. I mean, I'm not gonna, there's no scratches in it. Anyways, let me know what you think, guys. I mean, I'm kind of excited to try this out. I mean, I haven't had OnePlus in a minute since last year. So I've been iPhone, pretty much Apple everything. So I'm gonna head and get everything set up, get the watch set up, and see if we like this new Android lifestyle in 2025. But thank you for checking in with the Julian Tech Reviews. Once again, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We got a whole bunch of phones coming in, starting with the OnePlus. We're gonna take a look at that. And then you already know Samsung's coming up, and that's gonna be on the priority list. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out, take a few pictures, and do all that thing. And I'll be right back with this. Peace.